I'm Anisha. You can also visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast on career and finance. Librans, we start this month with Mercury, which goes direct on 4th. And Mercury is going to be felicitating the entire conversation, deals which have not got signed. And I've spoken it at great length in my monthly April video. The focus this month for you Librans is more on it's on cooperation, it's on partnerships, and for you being a sign that rules partnerships, be it personal or be it the business one, it shouldn't be asking too much of you this month. So take care this month to look at especially new ventures when you're getting into any partnerships, especially if you're getting into a partnership with a friend. Evaluate it very carefully, do the due diligence, ensure that all the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted. For some of you, you could be dealing with international partners as well this time. There seems to be a lot of stress focused on servicing. So, for those of you who manage clients which are international clients, or even domestic, I would say the focus entirely for April is servicing. Do the best, or even I would say, do what you can do beyond what your call of duty asks you to do. This month, just go all out and service your clients to the best of your ability. It is one of the key things that is highlighted for you, Librans, at your workplace. A lot of you are also going to be again putting a focus on what it is that you want. How is it that you see your work progress from here? Is there something else besides this that you're doing currently that you would want to do? There is also a stress on supplementing your income, and a lot of you are going to again start networking, meeting up with people. It's a great time to be exploring not just joint ventures with closest partners, but also to look at opportunities which would allow you, or other creative opportunities which could be very financially be beneficial for you. So use this time, Librans, well to before you let go, or rather give up on an idea as soon as it comes to your head. Examine it carefully. It just might be something worthwhile. So have a great month. I will see you again in May, and thank you so much for watching.